Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to solve the problem of REDnote app not sending codes on your mobile phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. Now I'll tap on this login. And over here you can see I'm here in this login interface. Now many of us are facing problem on this login. That may be because of the fact that our country code is not selected properly. For that, just tap on this country code over here. And over here, change this according to your country. Select this code correctly. Over here, you can see all the letters are in Chinese. But also, we can find our country code alphabetically. Now, I'll select my country correctly over here. And after this, I'll enter my phone number. And after this, tap on this login and tap on this agree and continue. After this, you will successfully get this code over here. You can see I've got this code. So in this way, we can solve the problem of REDnote app not sending codes on your mobile phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.